In this final section, we shall overview circuit board maintenance. Dust is a common occurrence on printed circuit boards. This dust absorbs moisture, which then causes all sorts of problems in the electric circuit. A stiff bristled brush or a cut-down paintbrush are ideal for removing dust and loose particles from the board without causing any damage. Rosin flux residue is not harmful to the circuit board, but can be removed to improve the appearance of the board. A solvent, such as alcohol, is ideal for this purpose. Alcohol is flammable and must be kept away from naked flames. A stiff bristled brush, dipped in solvent, will quickly and easily remove any unwanted rosin flux residue. Printed circuit boards are relatively fragile, and to avoid this kind of damage, they should be handled carefully. Less severe damage, such as a damaged solder pad and a broken or lifted track, is a common occurrence on circuit boards. An acceptable method of repair is to prepare a suitable length of bridging wire. This wire must be insulated. The broken or lifted track is removed with a sharp knife and the bridging wire soldered in place to substitute the broken track. A preferable and permanent method of repair is achieved with the use of a circuit board repair kit. The repair kit contains all the necessary components and tools to carry out a professional repair to commonly encountered faults, the results of which can be seen on these repaired circuit boards. Procedures for various functions when using this kit are explained fully in the instruction manual provided. Follow these instructions carefully to achieve the desired results. This concludes Program 2 of this series on light-duty hand soldering. It is suggested that you practice the typical procedures demonstrated in your own workplace. Join us again in other Tech AV programs.